Hello everyone, welcome to my class on MS Excel. In this class, we'll discuss MS Excel interface. So guys, at the top, what you're seeing here, like Excel demo workbook is written because I have saved this workbook. So this is called as the title bar. Okay, below this title bar, what you're seeing, these are called quick access toolbar, like save, undo, redo. These commands, what you're seeing, this comes under quick access toolbar. Here, like imagine if I just click here and if I click on touch screen, so imagine if I'm using my touch screen. So for that, it will enable the touch screen. Okay. It has enlarged the ribbon area. Okay. If I use mouse, then again, it will make it normal. So this area, what you're seeing, like which have file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data. So these all are tabs. Okay. Now tabs are made of groups. Like if you see under insert tab, you have group like table, illustration, chart, spark lines, filters. Okay, similarly under home tab, you have font, alignment, numbers. Okay, these are groups. Now groups are separated by this vertical line. Okay, I hope this part is clear with all of you. Now imagine if I want to explore more the font command, so I can click here and this dialog box launcher will come. Okay, so imagine if something is written, I can start exploring this format cell by working on this dialog box launcher. The shortcut key for format cell is Control 1. In the previous class, I have discussed this shortcut key called Control 1. Okay, so talking about this region from file, insert, date, draw, page layout, all till this groups and all this region is called as ribbons. Okay, this region, what you see, okay, this region is called as ribbon. Okay, so what we can do when we are working on Excel workbook, if I want to reduce my area of my recording this session, I can collapse the ribbon. Okay, so what I can do, I can just go here and if I say collapse the ribbon, so it become invisible. Again, if I just do click here, imagine if I just 1 minute. Imagine if I just click here, again if I click here, the ribbons will come. The shortcut key for this is Control F1, Control F1. Okay, the more way if you want to navigate the same, if you want to navigate the same, you can come here. So here auto hide ribbons. Ribbons gone. Okay, then show tab. So only tabs are there, ribbons are not there. Again, show tabs and commands. Now commands are also there. So unlike if you see under each tab, you have groups like clipboard, font, alignment, number. And now you have commands. Like what are the commands? You can work on commands like changing the font style or font size. Okay, merge and center, number formatting, conditional formatting. These are the commands. I can change these commands. Clear everyone? Here you can see close option. Then this is restore. Okay. Or you can minimize this. Fine. Then this already I have explained with you. Ribbon display option already I have discussed with you. Okay. Here I have mentioned about the tab. Okay. So if you want, you can even create a tab of your name also. Okay. If I want, I can do that work also. That work we will do under Excel options. Okay. I'll show you that work. Okay. You can even customize your quick access toolbar. Okay. If you want your quick access toolbar to visible at the down, show quick X toolbar below the ribbon, okay, or show quick X toolbar above the ribbon. All that work you can do. Clear everyone? Now this what you're seeing. This is the name bar. Okay, wherever your cursor is there, which cell that can be highlighted by the name bar. This is the formula bar. If you work on any mathematical, logical, statistical, any function, if you work on a cell, same will be visible in the formula bar. If you want to see them or you want to hide them, you can go under view. Under view, you can what you can do, you can tick or untick formula bar. Okay, fine everyone. Now you already I have discussed about rows and column. Okay, in my previous session, in my next session also, I'll speak more on rows and column. Columns are represented with what with columns are represented with alphabets, while rows are represented with number. Here you can see sheets, customized status bar. We'll talk more in the next session. Then you can see here normal page layout, page break preview here. For that, if you go in the view, you can see the same thing here. Okay, talking about zoom in and zoom out, maximum you can zoom in is 400%. Okay, talking about zoom in, maximum you can zoom in is maximum you can do is 400%. Okay, and minimum you can do is 10%. Okay, by default, whenever you work on Excel, it will be around 100%. Clear, everyone? Okay, customized status bar already I have discussed. Okay, so if you perform any mathematical calculation like 1, 2, 3, okay, if I just select this, you can see customized status bar. Now, what is the average? What is the count? What is numerical count, minima, maxima, sum? If you want to see more mathematical feature, you can pick them. Fine, everyone. So I hope this features are clear with all of you. Now you have something called this horizontal scroll bar. Okay, you can use this horizontal scroll bar if you want to move toward right hand side. To move, you want to see the total number of columns. Okay, you can use vertical scroll bar to move down in the row. Okay, generally, like imagine if I want to come A1 cell. So what I can do, I name bar, I can write A1, or I can go to home and in find and select in go to, I can write A1, or what I can do, I can press control home. If I press control home, if I press control home, I'll reach the first cell, A1 cell. Okay, so now if you want to move, you can use up arrow, right arrow, down arrow. Okay, you can use arrow key. You have arrow key, you can use them to move from one cell to other cell. Or if you want, you can use page down. If you use page down, you can move like this. If I'm using page down, like this way, I can jump from a certain number of cells over another. If I use page up like this way, I can go up like this way. Or if I want to move to a right hand side, I can use alt page down. If I use alt page down like this way, you can see if I use alt page up, I'll move toward left hand side. But if I use alt page up, I can move toward left hand side like this. Clear, everyone? So you can use this commands, you can use this left arrow, right arrow, down arrow, or you can go to home and then find and select. You can go to, you can use go to, and then shortcut keys control G, and then you can navigate from one cell to other cell. Or if I want A1, I can simply press control home, I'll reach my cell. So this is the basic introduction about the Excel interface, what is visible in front of you. I hope this part is clear with all of you. Thank you, everyone.